Hi, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Kevin ơi. Nên là teacher.
So my name is Teacher May. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Kevin.
Oh, hi, Kevin. So do you like numbers?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, do you know the numbers 1 to 100?
Yes.
Yes, can we try that
Okay.
first? Okay, so let me share my screen so that I will know if you really know what is the sequence of the numbers.
So.
So, okay, so let's test.
Yes.
Okay, so let's test if you really know the sequence of the numbers first, okay? Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now can you read what's in the text first?
Yes.
Okay, read it. Can you read? What comes?
Between.
What comes between? Okay, directions. Write the missing number. Okay, do you have a pen and paper? Do you have a pen and paper near you?
Làm đi, giờ con học mày hỏi.
Đó là pen and paper. Quên à. I have just a pen, no paper.
Okay, so now, for now, can you just tell me the number? If you,
I have.
okay, you have. Okay, so now let's see this one first, this first box. Okay, so what comes between 17 and 19?
17, 18.
Yes, 18.
Kéo right.
Yes, right. Gonna write on your paper?
Finish.
Can I see it? Let me see.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Just write the number. No need to write the whole square, okay? Okay, how about this one? What comes between 14 and 16?
17, 14, 16. 14.
What? 14 and 16. What comes between?
15.
Yes, 15.
Here.
Let's see.
Để cho cái
Okay, good job. How about what comes between 18 and 20?
18.
Very good. How about this one? 16 and 18.
16, 17, 18.
Okay, 17. Okay, very good. How about 10? Between 10 and, oh no,
quay để
13 and 15. 13 and 15.
14.
Yes, 14.
để xíu nha, chịu để làm cho nó sáng cái
Can I see it? Let me see your answer. Wow, very good. How about 12 and 14.
12 and 14.
Yes.
Where?
This one, 12 and 14.
13. 12 and
Yes,
13.
13. Very good. How about, can we try this one? 55 and 57.
56.
Yes, 56.
I have to write.
Yeah, you have to write it.
13. Finish.
Can I see it? Wow. Okay, so how about 86 and 88?
86. 87.
Yes. Okay, go. Right, 87.
86. 87. 88. Finish.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very good. So now that I know, you know the sequence of 1 to 100, let's see your addition and subtraction. Okay?
This one, when I'm 1 year old, I do O.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see your addition and
4 plus
subtraction.
1.
4 plus 1. What's your answer?
5.
Okay, can you write 5? Go.
I can write very fast.
Write it faster.
Finish.
See, let's see. Very good. 5. How about 5 plus 3?
8.
Yes, 8. All right. Let's see. Write your answer. 8.
No,
Yes. Write your
my
answer.
mom taught me to write.
Yeah. Right.
No,
Okay. What? You have to write your answer.
3 is equal 8.
Yes, 8. How about 9 plus 1?
9 plus 1 equal 10.
10. Very good. 2 plus 2?
4.
4. Okay, can you read this one? 6. Go on.
Plus 4. 9.
Are you sure it's 9? Are you sure it's 9? 6 plus 4?
Học qua rồi đó.
Try it again. Try it again. Go. You're almost correct.
10. Right?
Yes, 10. Correct. How about 9 plus 0?
9.
Yes, 9. Very good. 7 plus 3?
10.
10.
Okay.
How about 4 plus 2? 4 plus
6.
6. Can you say 6?
6.
Okay. 2 plus 3?
5.
5. That's 10. 5. Okay.
Right?
Okay. Now subtraction. Can we try? 6 minus 2?
2.
Are you sure? Can you try that again?
4.
What's your answer?
6
Minus.
minus 4.
Yes, 4. Very good. 7 minus 3? 7 minus 3.
Uh,
Okay. Take your time.
two.
Are you sure it's 2? Try that again. Okay, look here. Look here. This is 6, right? And then this is
Yes.
7. Correct? So you add 1. How about this one? 2 and then become 3. So you add 1 also. But they both added 1, correct? This one and then this one. So your answer is supposed to be
Đến ra cái bài đó coi.
4.
yes, 4. Very good. Okay, this one. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5.
5.
Yes, 5. That's 10. 5 only. One hand. Okay. So 9 minus 3. 9 minus
6.
3. Again.
No. Five.
Okay, try that again.
Try again.
Yes, try again. Yes. 9 minus 3.
'Let me think.
Yes, okay. You can do it.
6.
Yes, 6. Okay. How about 4 minus 2?
Thì nó có sai luôn.
Mình nghĩ mình đúng. Giờ thì về ấy đây.
4 minus 2? How many? 4 minus 2.
4 minus 2.
4 minus 2 is how many? Yeah, 4. Minus 2
4.
is 4 minus 2 is
2.
yes, 2. Okay, how about 4 minus 3?
1.
Yes, 1. Good job. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3.
Let me think.
Okay. You can do it. 6 minus 3. Okay, look here, look here. Look,
Yes.
6 minus 2 is 4, correct? 6 minus 3 is
1. 1. Yes.
6 trừ 3 mà 1.
6 minus 3.
6 minus 3.
have 6. Okay, minus
Yes.
3.
Equals 3.
Yes, equals 3. Okay. So 7 minus 4.
3.
Yes, 3. Good job. Okay, how about 8 minus 3?
Six.
Oh, 6. Can you try that
Oh.
again? Oh, 8.
Okay.
Put 8 in your fingers. 8. Okay, in your hands.
Yeah.
In your hands. 8. Okay, minus 3. Okay, take away 3. Take away.
5.
Yes, it's 5. Correct. Okay, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Kevin, 2 minus 1.
1.
Yes, it's 1. Okay, now 6 plus 2. Okay, this is addition, it's plus. 6 plus 2. 8. Good job. 7 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3.
7.
Yes, it's 7. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is, what's that?
4. Right?
Yes, 4. Very good. 9 minus 3. What's 9 minus 3? It's 9 minus 3.
9 minus 3.
Yes. How many?
5 is 5.
Okay, try that
No.
again. Try that again. You can do it. You answered it correctly earlier. So just a review. 9 minus 3 is, you can do it.
It is.
What's that? Tell me. What is it?
It's
9.
6.
What is it? 9 minus 3 is?
It is 6.
Yes, it's 6. Okay, next. 8 minus 3. 8 minus
It is
5.
5.
Very good. How about 5 plus 2?
7.
7. Very good. 9 minus 1? 9
It is
minus
7.
9 minus 1?
It is 8. No.
Yes,
It,
it's 8. 8. Okay? Okay, last. 10 minus 3.
It is 7.
Yes, 7. Great job. Okay, let's see this one. Can we try this one? It's a little bit big. Okay, so let's just try it. Okay? Okay, 3 plus 12.
It is 15.
Yes, it's 15. Great job. 2 plus 4.
It is 6.
Yes, 6. Okay, so let's try to do it like this. Okay, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is,
2.
yes, 2. How about 29 minus 3? It's a little bit big.
It is 26.
Yes. Okay, how about 6? 3 plus 6? 3 plus 6
is 9.
yes, it's 9. Very. Okay, how about 18 minus 4?
It is 14.
Yes, 14. Very good. Okay, how about 7 plus 3? 7 plus 3.
It is 10.
10. Great. Okay, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5.
It is 1.
1. Yes, 1 only. Very good. 28 plus 0.
Is 28.
28. Good. 7 minus 0.
Is 7.
7. 1 plus 5.
It is 4.
It's addition. Plus. 1 plus
Yes.
5. Yes, it's 1. Plus.
It is 6.
Yes, 6. Good. Okay, 8 minus 4. 4.
It is 14.
Yes, 4. Good. 4 plus 3.
It is 7.
7. Great. 8 minus 7.
It is 1.
Yes, 1. Great. 26 plus 3 equals 26 plus 3.
It is 26.
26 plus 3
Yes. 26. 3.
plus 3 plus 3. Is it hard? It's a little bit hard, correct? Is it hard? A little bit hard?
6 plus 3 is 9.
Yes, correct.
2 to the 9.
Yes, it's 29. Good job. So you know the technique. Okay, so let's see. Last one. 7 minus 5.
It
Seven.
is 2.
Yes, it's 2. Good. Okay, very good. So, you have to improve your addition, okay? Especially addition. So, the bigger numbers in addition, okay? And then in subtraction, so you know how to subtract, but you are very confused if it is your answer is correct or not. Okay, so we have to build your confidence in answering addition and subtraction. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I hope to see you soon. So that's all for today. So bye-bye again. My name is Teacher May. Okay, so nice meeting you, Kevin.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much. So
Bye.
bye-bye.
Teacher May.